All right, this is Mr. V. Thank you everyone for tuning in. Today we're going to do lesson 3 for Google Slides Mastery. All right, so we have completed selecting a theme, which was right here. And the next thing we did was inserting a slides, which we inserted the slides, okay? And now we're going to do, so those are check. And now we're going to do change your background and your slides, okay? So how are we going to change your background? So this is lesson 3. Let's do that right now. So let's pretend that you don't want this background, right? You can just go right here and click background. And if you want this background to be a solid color, you can just pick any solid color that you want. Okay. Now notice it's going to change only the theme there. Okay. Now you can do add the theme, but this is, let me show you what this is going to happen, right? So let's pretend you want to insert. So we know how to insert a new slide, right? We went to here, slide, and new slide, right? That's how we insert a new slide. Now, if you want to change part of the layout, which is going into this one here, right? But right now we're going to do changing your slides. So watch what's going to happen. So for this part right here, let me show you how to change your background. You can do it 2 ways. Okay, you can actually go to the layout here. So the background is part of the layout as well. So you can go to layout and then you can change whichever one you want. So if you want to be blank, you can just go blank. Okay. But remember that you have already done this one. So let me go back to just transparent, right? Okay. So this slide right here, it was this first, right? Okay. But we want it to be a blank one. Okay. Now, how would you change your background? You can just go right here and then you can pick the color that you want. So like if you want to be like this color, you can do that. And if you want to be, I don't know, like light purple, you can do that. Now, this background is important right here because you can actually add images as a background too, and we'll show you that later on. Now, if you want all the slides to have this purple, you can actually click add to theme. Okay, so add to theme, and look what happens. Now you added that little background there to your theme. Now you still kept your theme, right? But at least now you have that purple. Okay, and you're like, oh, I don't want that. I don't want that. I want something else. Okay, so you want another color that maybe matches. All right, so you want that blue. And if you want that blue to be added to the theme, you can just click right here. And now notice that each of the slides has this blue here that you added, right? Has this blue background there.